In this video, we will go over how to use Quizlet as a study tool for your online courses. In most cases, you will see the Quizlet embedded at the bottom of the page, where you can access them via flashcard mode. You can click through and test out your knowledge. You can also play the audio by clicking on the audio button in the upper right-hand corner. And in the lower right-hand corner, there's different study modes that you can choose. Right now we're in flashcard, and there's a couple of other options down here. If you click View this study set, it will open the Quizlet on the Quizlet website, or you can create your own account so that you can combine Quizlets. You can also create your own flashcard decks by combining the different decks with just the words that you need to master. You can also go to this Learn function, and that will help you go through and try out different ways of learning. So this one will do a quiz. So it's asking you to tell us what the translation or the French translation of "see you later" is. And then it will say, oh, you need to study this one, so press any key to continue. Goodbye. I got that one right. And then it's going to tell you which ones you've mastered and which ones you need to practice on at the end. And then back here, if you go to the write function, here it's having you write out the translation of the word that it's showing up there. So this word in English means goodbye. And then this is miss. So you can keep going through here, and it will tell you how many you've got incorrect and how many you've gotten correct, and then how many you have remaining. So lots of different ways to test your knowledge. This will just help you with language acquisition throughout the course.